Welcome back to my kitchen. What's up, Soul Squad? Happy what? Hump Day. We almost made it through the week, but it's warm outside. Well, it's kind of a little bit chilly right now, but we've been having like some 80-something and 90-degree weather here in DC. And you know what? Summer is in 51 more days. Let's make something good, refreshing, something out of fruit, something you know what's in it. So we're making sorbet, and we're just not making like one flavor. We're making strawberry and mango, and you want to use frozen fruit. I'm using frozen fruit, guys, because it's just best to use frozen fruit. You know, if you buy fresh fruit, just like put it in a bag, freeze it for a day or two or a couple of hours if you're really in a rush. And it's simple, couple of ingredients, food processor, that's all you need. Right here, I got going some sugar syrup right here. And what's in here is 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water. This is going to be my sweetener agent, the sweetener. Now, if you don't have sugar syrup, you could use like condensed milk. You could use like honey. Any sweetener long as it's liquid. Like, yeah, so as long as it's liquid, because you don't want it to crystallize your fruit, and use frozen fruit, and then you can use any fruit that you want. Any combinations of fruit or single fruit to make your sorbet. You know what's in it. The kids will love it. It's fresh and I said fresh and I haven't learned to stop saying but it's gonna be refreshing, and you know exactly what's in it, and it's something that the kids will most definitely like. You will like. It's a good quick go-to, easy, something cool when it's hot outside. So what we're doing now, we're just letting this sugar water, which I'm letting it come to a boil. I want to make sure all the sugar is out of it. So I basically just let it boil till the sugar is completely dissolved. That's all I'm doing. And this take about maybe 5 or 6 minutes or something, because you want to make sure that sugar is dissolved. There's no crystals in it, you know. And normally when I do this, when I normally make my my simple syrup, I keep saying sugar water, it's called simple syrup. When I normally make my simple syrup, I used to use equal parts, like a cup of sugar, a cup of water. Since I want this is a little bit more sweeter, I use 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water. And that's because I wanted to really bring out the sweetness in the simple syrup. But yeah, so once I get it liquefied, get that white sugar all gone up out of here, it's not gritty, and I'm gonna pour it into my glass, my measuring cup, and we're gonna go from there. So let me get this ready. Again, I got 5 minutes or so, guys, just to make sure it's the way I want it. I have it on a medium-high heat. I got it turned up, and I'm just stirring. I'll let it sit like for a few seconds, not long, and I go back to stirring it. And I can tell when it's ready. I'm feeling it gritty. Look how sticky it is. See the stickiness of it? And it's sweet. That's ready. Look at it. Ooh. So this could be a quick video. We may not even got to stop. Okay, so I'm going in with my strawberries. Half, it as much as you want. Half strawberries, half mango. So I want a strawberry and mango sorbet. Now, the sugar syrup, how much you put in it is up to you. Because remember, this is your sweetener. And remember, the fruit is already naturally sweet. So I'd say like a couple of tablespoons. And you just want to lock this on here. You know, I don't use this that often, so let me get it locked in there. Oh, I hate this thing. Okay, here we go. I did it. And we're just going to pulse it a couple of times so it's nice and smooth. And then just get your favorite container, place it in here. We're going to put it in the freezer like for an hour or two. Watch this. Now I want to hear all that noise. I'm going to stand back. I'm going to cut it off. I just want to let you guys know we're going to do it until it's nice and smooth, and we'll be right back. I don't know if you want to keep hearing all that. Right now you can see it's still kind of chunky. Oh, and it's cold the way you want it, but you just want to do it till it's nice and smooth, and we'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. Look at my sorbet. It's nice and smooth. You just want to get it nice and smooth like that. And if you want chunks, it's your kitchen. Do what you want. But I want it nice and smooth. I'm placing it in this container right here. It's going to go in the freezer. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Tell me your family is not going to like this. It's quick. Summertime is coming. It's easy. A nice dessert. No Mother's Day coming. It don't always got to be cake, but guess what? I got a cake for you. I'm making a hummingbird cake. It's springtime. Nothing says better than a hummingbird cake. I'm going to show you guys how to make that next week. Oh, look at that. You just smooth it out. And since I have a large family, I still have some strawberries and mangoes left. I'm about to puree the rest of that. Place it on top of here. We're going to place this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Be back. We're going to scoop it. You're going to see the end results. Okay, we're back. I just remember, right? I had some frozen pineapple chunks. And I got lime. I got coconut milk. These things I be having in my cabinet. So I decided, let's do a pina colada version. Alcohol free, of course. Unless, you know, you want to get a little bit tipsy. And it's just a couple of more steps. We're going to go in with the pineapple chunks that smell so awesome. Oh, my God. You're going to go in with the zest of 1 lime. Remember, you don't get the white part. And it's like, you know, pina colada, coconut milk, zest, you know, lime. The zest of 1 lime, guys. And I found another glass dish to put this in because the other one's in the refrigerator. Look at that. Let me get all my zest. Hit all the spots. No white spots. Oh my God, this smell. It's summertime. It's going to be, this smells so good and refreshing. I'm going in with my simple syrup. Again, it's up to you on how much. Let's cut this in half. And I'm only going to use like half of this lime. You know, the lime juice. It's pina colada. Only half of it. And a splash. And I'll put it in the description below. Oh, come on. My coconut milk. That's I should have shook it up, right? Before I open it up. A splash of coconut milk. Let me see. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, we back. Let's get finished with this, okay? Just remember what I didn't do. I tried to stir with a spoon. Just shake your coconut milk up. It's all good. Okay, so until it's nice and smooth. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. The coconut, the pineapple, the zest, the lime. It all say tropical. It makes you want to take a vacation. And just until it's nice and smooth. Ooh. I have my top all the way on. like the texture of this. Oh yeah. I wanted to get a little bit more smoother because I could see a little bit of humps right there. But it's up to you. Once it's smoothed out, we'll be back. I'm going to place it in this, let you guys see it go in this, and it's going to go in the refrigerator. The freezer. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh my God, this tastes so amazing. And if you want to amp it up for adults, you really want to just get a little bit lit, I got some vanilla Ciroc here. Add some Ciroc, your favorite vodka, your favorite white rum to this. It will be so amazing. You may think you're on the island for real. This tastes so freaking good, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I might have to add some alcohol to this, and I don't know. This is going in the freezer. It's too bad I can't fill it up because I just remembered I had the pineapple in there, and I decided to make the pineapple. Oh my God, can you imagine for a party, adults cocktails, give them this, add some rum to it. Still use the same ingredients. Add some rum to it. They gonna love you. Okay, in the freezer this go. We'll be back when both desserts are nice and frozen. Yeah, and you getting a mukbang out of this. Y'all know y'all are. Okay, guys, we are back. Now, if you want to use something nice and pretty, I got these little cups right here for the sorbet. I think they're cute. You can be able to see through it. Now, I did about 2 hours. But you know, you can do like 4, 5, 6. You can do the day before, having a container with a top or some Reynolds plastic wrap. Let's go in. Take my ice cream scoop. I think it's still too soft. My son said he wanted like that. So it scooped it up. Look at that. Nice and round. Go in there. I think it need to be a little bit harder. I don't like this. But they want it soft like that. They doing the mukbang. They doing the eating. I need a spoon. To get it all. Have your spoon. I would like to have it harder. I think it should do at least 4 hours. So guys, don't do what I do. Don't do what your children say do. What I don't listen to my kids for. Give me a spoon or something. Or a plastic butter knife. Josh, give me a plastic butter knife in that box. Yeah, this most definitely needed 4 hours. But I'm not the look at that roll. Ah! That look good. He gave me a spoon. Okay, one more roll just for presentation. I'm gonna dig from the bottom. That's it. That's my sorbet, guys. Let me just taste this right here. This is going back in the freezer. Oh my God. It has like a little sweet but sour taste because of the mangoes and the frozen strawberries. I'm just rinsing this off in some hot water I got sitting to the side. Look at this. Instant. It's hot outside. This is refreshing. It's nice. It's soft. You can make it a little bit harder. Again, we did 2 hours. I suggest maybe 4. Let's go in with the pina colada. And you know what? Me being lazy, just be honest. I got a mixed berry in the refrigerator. A big bag of mixed berry fruit. And still got some simple syrup. I think I'm going to treat the kids to some. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the pina colada one.
Oh, hello, mother. What are you making?
Hello, mother.
What are you making?
Hello, mother. I am making sorbet.
Oh, sorbet.
Yes, pina colada and strawberry and mango. And
mango? What mango what?
Right here, strawberry and mango.
Oh.
And look at the roll, guys. Look at the roll. Look at that roll. That's what I'm talking about.
That looks good.
It's so refreshing.
Y'all want some?
Unfortunately, they have to make their own. What that commercial say? No, my brother, you have to get your own. You might remember that commercial. That's an old commercial. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is one. You can look. You can see the lime, the zest of the lime in there. Yes. Just perfect.
What are these for?
Just perfect. Oh my God.
Yeah, good job, Mom. Like,
Yes, they came out really well.
especially this one.
Yes.
That was really good.
Let me put a little bit more scoop in. Oh, you can't beat this. Your very own sorbet. You don't have to go to the store. We got pina colada, we got strawberry mango.
It's good. That's delicious.
I'm sitting back on a tropical island in Jamaica, watching the wind blow through my, what's this thing called?
Your rap?
My wrap. Oh my God. This is so good, guys. Until my next video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Go over on the next day. Look at the mukbang to this. This is so delicious. Until next time, Soul Squad, I am out.